Hello. Welcome to Intuitive Soundscapes, where I'm going to be curious about my voice, my soul, and in that process, hopefully showing you a pathway that might be new and might be scary, um, might be intimidating, but a pathway to your voice. And your voice is not just the sounds that come out of your mouth in words, but it's the tones that come out. It's made of your very essence, and one's voice is really a gift, a teacher, a guide. With my voice, which I do not pretend to think that it is perfect, for it is not, but all human things are not perfect. I embrace that imperfection, and I have to give a nod to a great teacher and friend of mine, Carolin Nobles, who encouraged my journey of intuitive singing. And what intuitive singing just means is tapping into a place within that is without words known in this world anyway. Just syllables, intonations that arise out of being in a very calm and still place where you're searching and you're receiving. So my hope is on this channel to combine intuitive singing with discussions around mental health and how to utilize creativity found in expressing yourself to cope with feelings of struggle and isolation and grief and fear and all of these human feelings that I think the whole world is grappling with. So, this is my introduction to intuitive soundscapes. I hope to use instruments in the future. I have a Celtic harp over there. I have a Native American flute I am learning slowly. I have koshi chimes arriving soon. Um, I have surfaces to drum on. I am just awakening to this, and I wanted to document the process. So that is what this channel will be. So I will end it there for now. This is my introduction. I am hopeful and nervous and excited and always transparent. That is important to me to model being vulnerable because it's not such a bad thing. It's not such a thing to fear. I really wonder what would happen if we embraced other people's vulnerability. I think it is brave to be vulnerable. So I look forward to making music for and with you in the future.